Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer environment variables from Heroku to Render, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer environment variables from Heroku to Render, begin by logging into your Heroku account. Navigate to your application's dashboard. Select the Settings tab. Scroll down to the Config Vars section. Click on the Reveal Config Vars button. Take note of each environment variable along with its corresponding value. For a more organized approach, consider copying the variables into a text editor. Now, log into your Render account. If you don't have an application set up yet, create a new web service or another suitable service type. Access the settings for your service. Locate the Environment section. Click on Add Environment Variable. For each variable you noted from Heroku, input the name and value in the designated fields. Repeat this process until all environment variables have been transferred. Double-check to ensure each variable is entered correctly. Once all variables are set, save your changes. Deploy your application on Render to apply the new environment settings. Monitor your application to confirm its functioning as expected. That's the complete process for transferring environment variables from Heroku to Render. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.